Hey everybody, I'm Russ Cersosimo and I'm here at the International Association for Food Safety Conference 2022 here in beautiful, thank God it's sunny today, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We're gonna learn about putting CBD into food. So number one, can you put CBD in food? Yes, you can put CBD in food. Now, can you sell it in food? 40 states so far have explicitly put in regulation that CBD can be used as a food, or some way or another got it in there as a food. There are 10 states that still have yet to approve it as a food. The federal government also has not come around and approved it as a food, but much like the medical marijuana programs, they're letting states have their rights to do what they want within their state lines. Is CBD easy to put in food? Yes, assuming you use the right ingredients. CBD naturally comes in an oil-based form, so it's extremely difficult to work with in a kitchen or on commercial grade equipment. It's viscous, it's thick, it sticks to things, it smells bad. When it's in the food, it has a very bitter flavor. It smells very much so like weed, so it's off-putting to a lot of consumers. When you use a powder-based version of it, hopefully you can find a vegan, all-natural version. I know there's nano on the market, but nano tastes like crap in food. Lots of chemicals in there and excipients. But a powdered form is the easiest because then you can integrate it with flour and sugar and other powdered ingredients. Mixes more homogeneously, much easier to dose at the end of the day. They have to change their recipe. I think that's the biggest thing. When you have, an age-old recipe, let's just say, for instance, Oreo cookie, all of a sudden, they want to introduce CBD, they got to go back to the drawing board and put in all kinds of different things that flavor that and to mask the bitter taste of hemp. It's not the greatest to work with. That's why we at Hemp Synergistics patented Bio-Dri, which is the first all-vegan, all-natural, powderized version of hemp that works for food, beverage, and nutraceuticals. You can integrate this stuff into protein mixes, functional food, drinks, any kind of pre-mix, drink packs. Really, the sky's the limit with this stuff because it is taste-free, it doesn't have any off-putting odor, and it just mixes right into the manufacturing process just like you would any other powdered ingredient. So why put CBD in food? Well, let's think about it. Every day you eat. Every day you wake up, you have an endocannabinoid system that requires cannabinoids. Smash them together and you don't have to think of two different things. Every day you get up and you drink coffee. You go through the system of making coffee, however you do it. I mean, you put a cup in the Nespresso, maybe you grind your beans yourself, put it in a premix, who knows? Point is if you grab that coffee and it automatically has CBD in it, you're gonna get the CBD that your body needs, your endocannabinoid system needs to function properly, and you're gonna get it without adding a step. Yeah, the whole world's using tinctures and gummies. That's a fad. What other medicines do you take in a gummy form? This isn't the 1800s where we're using tinctures from an apothecary. They're tough to dose, they're tough to measure, they quite honestly don't taste great. There's a lot of flavor masking in there. Best thing to do is have this in something you already ingest, and it's going to the food market. So how do you get some of this powdered CBD? Go to hempsynergistics.com. We have it by the kilo, by the truckload, by the skyscraper full if you need it. Extends the shelf life of any oil. It tastes better than nano, and it's as easy as integrating as you would sugar or flour. Not only that, it's taste-free, odor-free, and it actually has an increased bioavailability because of the encapsulation process that we do at the molecular level. It makes it almost impervious to the stomach and digestive acids and different enzymes that come out in the digestive process, whereas most cannabinoids get destroyed in that process. Ones coated in our powdered Bio-Dri mix make it through unscathed. I'm Russ Cersosimo, over and out.